How to make money on Amazon. Don't worry if you think you've missed the e-commerce boat. It's just getting started. While other e-commerce platforms such as eBay, Shopify, Walmart, and Etsy may make selling things online simple, Amazon is, in my opinion, the best way to make money online. Amazon is a fantastic option for people looking to break into the world of e-commerce. Amazon's revenue in 2020 is expected to be $386 billion. But how can you obtain a piece of the Amazon pie? There are several methods to earn money on Amazon, so to assist you in determining which approach may be ideal for you, this video delves into the top ways to make money on Amazon in 2022. Hello and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Successful Finance. We hope you are all fine and doing great in your lives. So without any further delay, let's just get into the video. 1. Create your own private label items and sell them on Amazon. In 2022, the easiest method to generate money on Amazon is to sell private label products through Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon FBA network. The private label approach is used by around 67% of all Amazon merchants. Private labeling is a process of producing a pre-existing item, ideally with product enhancements, branding it, and selling it to customers. It is also known as white labeling or brand building. Amazon can deliver your things thanks to FBA. This is how e-commerce business owners like you and me can list products on Amazon and profit from sales. Amazon makes private labeling more easy by providing a variety of benefits. 1. To begin, you may predict the sales your product will earn once it's on Amazon using a program like Jungle Scout, an all-in-one platform for selling on Amazon. 2. Then using services like Alibaba or Jungle Scout supplier database, you can easily find and create your own items. Finally, after your product has been made, you may sell it on Amazon via FBA. You're not even required to ship your own orders. You can make approximately $625 to $1,875 per month product by selling private label products on Amazon. 2. Amazon's wholesale products. Selling wholesale like private label means acquiring large amounts of items to sell through Amazon's FBA network. The main distinction is that you are selling the items of other firms. As a result, you won't have to bother about product manufacture or branding. It is one of the most common ways for vendors to make money on Amazon. You can make up to $3,000 to $4,000 per month by selling wholesale goods on Amazon. 3. Ship Amazon items. You're surely aware that Amazon offers its own delivery service, but did you know you can work as a delivery driver for Amazon? You may do so with Amazon's Flex program. All you have to do is fill out a simple questionnaire, download their app, and if accepted, you may start earning money right away. Consider it Uber for Amazon delivery. You can make approximately $100 plus per day by working as a Flex driver. 4. Start a blog. Have you ever wanted to establish a lifestyle blog, publish how-to videos or recipes, or have your thoughts and ideas published in any other way? While doing so, you can earn money from Amazon. Consider this. You locate a nice product on Amazon, share the link with your friends, and if they buy it, you are a paid commission. That link goes out to a lot more people when you post it on your blog or social media page or even in an email. So you may make a lot more money in commissions. That is how the Amazon Associates program operates. Amazon Associates is an affiliate network in which you sign up to receive unique links that you may only share with others. When you share the link and someone buys it, you get a portion of the sale. This money-making method varies greatly in its returns. 5. Use Radial Arbitrage to resell store-bought items. Arbitrage written in wooden tiles. If you used to watch the American version of The Office, you may recall an episode in which Dwight purchased all of the Princess Unicorn dolls around Christmas time. His goal was to sell them to last-minute consumers for $200 or more. In a nutshell, this is how Radial Arbitrage works. You go to a retail store like Walmart, Target, Barnes & Noble, and so on to identify and purchase inexpensive things for arbitrage. The things are then resold on Amazon for a profit. The earning potential for this method varies. 6. Use Online Arbitrage to flip things from online retail stores. Online arbitrage is different from retail arbitrage because it involves buying things from other e-commerce businesses to sell on Amazon instead of buying things in stores. Retail arbitrage is confined to real stores in your region. But Internet Arbitrage offers practically limitless options for acquiring merchandise. You can flip items at a lot of online stores like eBay, Walmart, Target, CVS, and Home Depot. The earning potential for this method varies. 7. Work as an Amazon representative from home. Work from home and earn money on Amazon. Amazon is gradually becoming one of the world's largest employers. Following the acquisition of Whole Foods in 2017, Amazon currently employs around 650,000 people. Of course, not all of those workers are based in Amazon's headquarters in Seattle, Washington. Indeed, many of Amazon's workers work remotely from the comfort of their own homes. You can make around $30,000 per year as a full-time rep as a work-from-home employee. 8. Take part in the Mechanical Turk program. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a marketplace for crowdsourcing. Amazon has a funny-sounding service called Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk serves as a platform for outsourced jobs such as data validation, research, and survey participation. While the name suggests artificial intelligence, Mechanical Turk is actually the result of hundreds and thousands of remote workers like you. You can make approximately $120 to $200 for a 20-hour work week with the Mechanical Turk program. 9. Use Amazon Handmade to create your own items to sell on Amazon. If you're artistic, Amazon Handmade could be the place for you. Amazon Handmade is an invitation-only program that allows craftsmen to create and sell their own things on Amazon's website. Obviously, because you would be creating them yourself, this technique requires a bit more effort to keep track of your orders. However, the exposure Amazon provides your brand is enormous. Amazon Handmade can help a huge audience find your one-of-a-kind items. You can make upwards of $30 per day by selling handmade products on Amazon. 10. Use Merch by Amazon to sell your t-shirts, coffee mugs, and other items. Have a clever idea for a shirt or coffee mug but don't want to spend the time to create hundreds of them? Then, Merch by Amazon is for you. Merch is a print-on-demand service that allows you to upload designs into Amazon's database. Then those designs can appear on t-shirts, tote bags, coffee mugs, hats, whatever you want. When a sale is made, Amazon creates the item for you, ships it, and you make money. This money-making method varies greatly in its returns. 11. Dropshipping allows you to sell things without holding any inventory. If you don't have much money to begin with but want to make money on Amazon, dropshipping might be the way to go. Dropshipping enables you to list things for sale without ever owning the inventory. Simply, you advertise things for sale, and when a buyer puts in an order, you buy the product at a reduced price from your supplier and have them send the order to your customer. You make money as a vendor without ever touching or seeing the merchandise. All logistics will be handled by your supplier. This money-making method varies greatly in its returns. 12. Write your own Kindle Direct Publishing books. You may publish your own books on Amazon using Kindle Direct Publishing. You may print physical copies of your book in addition to digital versions. The only catch with this choice is that you typically need to write a lot in order to be successful, even if there are one or two very popular books. The real goal of publishing is to get as many books out as possible. The more you write, the more you will make. You can make up to $40,000 per month by writing for a KDP. Finally, you're ready to enter the world of e-commerce. If you need any further guidance in this, then tell us in the comment section that we are ready to assist you in taking your business to the next level. If you found this video informative, interesting, or engaging, make sure you show me by giving it a good thumbs up, sharing it with a friend, and of course, subscribing to your favorite YouTube channel, Successful Finance, for more informative videos coming at you every day. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.